Hey friends, if you wish to fix F5 refresh not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check if the issue is with the key of the keyboard or the keyboard itself. Okay, so here's what I will suggest doing. Try connecting the keyboard to a different system. Okay, and other than this, try pressing other keys on the keyboard to check if all of them are working. Now here's an interesting thing about the F5 key, because it often doesn't work on my system either. There is something called as the function lock in older keyboards, that is with the scroll lock and the num lock, but in newer keyboards there's a function key next to the Windows key on your keyboard, so press it along with F5 to activate it once. The next one is to update the keyboard driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for keyboards. Right click on the first one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. And this is how you can update the keyboard drivers. Then you can restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. Then you can check the system for updates. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates in the right pane. Then you can consider restarting the file explorer. Search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open the task manager. Let it load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and select restart, and if you don't find it here, then scroll down to the backgrounds app section and then do the needful. And lastly, a clean boot can be very helpful. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.